In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Expensify with QuickBooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your expenses flowing smoothly from Expensify into QuickBooks, which can really simplify your bookkeeping and save you time each month. First, make sure you're logged into your Expensify account and that you have access to the workspace you want to connect. You'll also want to have your QuickBooks account ready with the correct company file or organization selected, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the main Expensify screen, look toward the left corner where your workspaces are listed. This is the area where you manage different teams or companies in Expensify. Go ahead and click on the workspace section there. If you only have one workspace, you'll see it right away. If you have multiple, you'll see a list. Choose the specific workspace that you want to link to QuickBooks. This is important because the connection applies to that workspace only, so make sure it's the one whose expenses you want to sync. After you've opened the correct workspace, you'll land on that workspace's overview page. At the top or along the side, look for the menu labeled Accounting. This is where all the integrations and accounting related settings live for your workspace. Click on Accounting to open up the accounting configuration options. On the accounting page, you'll see a section for connecting to accounting software. Here, Expensify offers different integrations, and QuickBooks will be one of them. Look for the option to connect to QuickBooks, then click on the Connect button. When you do this, Expensify will redirect you to a QuickBooks login or authorization screen where you'll be asked to sign into QuickBooks and grant permission for Expensify to access your data. Follow the prompts from QuickBooks carefully, choosing the correct company file if you have more than one, and confirm the connection. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to Expensify, where the connection should now show as active. From here, you'll be able to configure how expenses, vendors, and categories sync, but the core connection is established by clicking that Connect button and authorizing access. That's all you need to start syncing Expensify with QuickBooks. With this connection in place, expense reports and transaction details can flow directly into your accounting system, helping keep your books accurate and up to date with a lot less manual work.